Welcome to my new video. Our today's question is largest triangle area. So you are given an array of points xy plane, points where points are xi and yi. These are the coordinates. Okay, this is the coordinates. All the coordinates 0, 0 is this point. Okay, 0, 1. These are the all the points. So you have to return the area of a largest triangle that can be formed by any three different points. Okay, so now let's first discuss the what is the area of a triangle, how we can calculate the area of a triangle. If this is the triangle by formed by any 3 points and you are given a coordinate, so you are given these points. Okay, so these are the points you are given. So if this is the triangle, so what, how we can calculate the area? We learned in our school the formula called Heron's formula. So if we have a three sides a b c, then area is equal to this. Okay, and s value is equal to abc by divided by 2. So first we have to calculate our three sides, and let's see how we can calculate three sides. If we have a coordinates, okay, these are the coordinates, so how we can calculate the a side? There is a formula. Okay, so x1 minus x square, say x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, and we have to take under root of that. Similarly for b, so okay, if this is the b, these are the 2 points. Okay, we can just create one function, pass 2 points, and then simply do the minus of their x coordinate and then square. We just have to return this value. Okay, this value. Similarly for b and similarly for c. And what is the area of a triangle? Then we have to calculate our s value. S is nothing but a b c divided by 2, and area is area of a triangle by Heron's formula. Okay, Heron's formula is under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Okay, so this is the formula, and there is also one formula, Shoelace formula, but first discuss the solution by this formula. Okay, now let's discuss how we can solve this question. So you are given a points and the constraints are very small, and there is, we can solve this question by brute force. We can try out all the possible points. Okay, we can pick all the possible pair of 3 points. Okay, so we can simply run a 3 loops, for first loop for point 1, second loop for point 2, and third loop for point 3. So we are going to calculate all possible points, and for that we have to calculate area and take maximum area among them. Okay, so let's discuss it. Okay, let's see. So we have to take the maximum area. Okay, and we are running 3 for loops. First for loop is for our point 1, second for loop is for point 2, and third for point 3. Okay, now we have a points. Okay, so the distance, the a the side a is distance between two coordinates. So this is the first coordinate point 1, and this is the point 2, and we how we are calculating the distance by, okay, this is the function, so we are taking 2 points. Okay, so we just have to calculate this formula. Okay, this is the formula, x1 minus x2 ka square plus y1 minus y2 ka square, and we have to take the square root of them. Okay, so we have to calculate first x distance x, distance y, and then take the square root of their square, so dx square plus y dy square. Okay, so these are the distance between first point and second point, distance between second point and third point, and distance between third point and first point. Okay, then we have to calculate our s value. S value is a plus b plus c divided by 2.0. All the values are in double, that's why we take 2.0. And now area is square root of this value, and this value can be so negative, so that's why we have to take the maximum between 0 and this value. Okay, and the square root of this is the area, and then at the end we have to take the maximum area of max area and at the end we have to return max area. Now let's try to run it, and this is going to work. Okay, now let's discuss with the Shoelace formula. Okay, Shoelace formula, there is also one formula, Shoelace formula. So Shoelace formula, what the Shoelace formula say? Shoelace formula says you have to multiply it 1 by 2 to abstract value of abstract value of, if you choose x1, if you choose this coordinate, then you have to minus other two y coordinates. Okay, this is the formula. So multiplied by y1 minus y2 plus, if you choose x2, then you have to subtract the other two y coordinates. So y3 minus y1. Okay, now if you choose x3, the other threes are y1 minus y2. Okay, so these are, okay, y1 minus y2. Okay, and this is like 3. Okay, sorry, this is y1. If you choose x1, so you have to subtract other two y values. So y1 minus, sorry guys, this is y2, this is y2 and y3. If you choose x2, then y3 y minus y1. If you choose x3, then y1 minus y2. Okay, this is by shoelace formula. So now let's write the code for shoelace formula. Okay, so area is nothing but 0.5 multiplied by mat dot abstract value of, if you choose x1, then you have to decrease, subtract the other two y coordinates, y2 minus y3 plus, if you choose x2, then you have to subtract other two coordinates, y3 minus y1 addition of, plus, if you choose x3, then you have to minus other two y coordinates and x1 y1 minus y2. Okay, this is the area. Let's try to run it. Okay, what is the problem? You can't find the symbol y2. Okay, sorry. Let's, so I initialize the values of x1 y1 and y3 and all 6 values. Now let's try to run it. Okay, so it is running. Let's try to submit it. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and also there is a multiplication sign is also remaining. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.